Hi folks, Sean from Strong Teams, brought to you by Beach and Bush Team Building. And today we're going to be talking about reconnecting teams post-COVID. We are still finding that some of our clients still haven't restored the connections between their staff as a result of the changes that happened with COVID. In a world where "you're on mute" became our catchphrase and our pets became our favorite co-workers, we experienced a seismic shift in the way we work. But we all accept that COVID is over now and it's time to rekindle those connections that were damaged through that time. So let's dive into some fantastic strategies to reconnect your staff and get back to the way we used to work before COVID. So tip number one is to embrace the hybrid work model. Many employees discovered during COVID the joys and frustrations of working from home. The reality is, though, that there are actually many strengths to this hybrid model, and working from home can be a really positive thing for staff. So by incorporating the work from home model into your normal work model, you can help people to adjust back to the normal way of working. The second idea is to reimagine the way that your company does team building. During COVID, a lot of people got used to doing the things that they love. Perhaps consider incorporating some of these activities and hobbies and personal interests into a program where people are able to share their home interests with people in the office. This will give employees the opportunity to bond on a personal level and share their hobbies and interests with their co-workers. The third tip is around mental well-being and wellness. Let's face it, the pandemic was stressful. People got very stressed out. And I think now is a great time for companies to focus on wellness and mental well-being amongst their staff and workers. Offering access to wellness services and even just encouraging open conversations about mental well-being can be a very positive step. When employees feel supported, they are more likely to feel connected in the workplace. The next tip, and this is something we talk a lot about on this vlog, is opening up communication channels and getting that feedback loop working. Post-COVID, this may be a great opportunity to encourage people to share their feelings and to have open and honest discussions about what they're feeling and what they went through. Perhaps a weekly meeting or a suggestion box. The key here is not just to listen, but also to act on these suggestions and to take positive steps to make real change. The fifth tip is to celebrate together, whether it's an anniversary, a birthday, completion of a work task, or a public holiday. Celebrating together is a wonderful way to restore connections. Even if your team is spread across a wide geographic area, perhaps have a fun virtual team build or organize an online party where you do something super fun together. So in a nutshell, the post-pandemic world offers you a great opportunity to hit the reset button on the connections within your workplace. We all weathered the storm, and now it's time to get back to work. By incorporating the strategies mentioned earlier, hopefully you can build a more resilient, more efficient team going forward. We hope you've enjoyed this vlog today. If you have, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.